Hello guys and welcome in this new video. Exit code is a concept that is essential on the monitoring process on our Linux server. So we're gonna see how exit code can be helpful in this new video. See how to check the value of the exit code and also how to apply it inside our code or script in order to get some monitoring and to know if your code got success or no, maybe on a scheduled job or something like that. Without waste our time, let's go guys. So let's start with intro to exit code. We're gonna jump on our CentOS 7 Linux server quickly on Visual Studio Code and run ls/etc in order to list content of etc directory, and you can see everything. Let's do echo $? In order to see what is the value of our exit code. Is 0. 0 means that our command have been executed correctly. Right now, we're going to do something else. We're going to list something that is not existed. ls/prompt cannot access. So we wasn't able to proceed with this command, right? So we're going to run quickly echo $? And we have 2 right now. The thing that you have to understand right there is every time that your command gonna fail, you're gonna have a number different to 0. And this is the basic concept on exit code. Let's move on the practice case with our package.sh script. We work on this script on our first video on this series on bash script, and we're just going to modify it a little bit. It was the script that we used to install Docker on CentOS 7 on our first episode on this bash script series. So we're going to move on yum update -y and add sleep-4. We're going to do echo and add sleep-4 between yum update -y and echo. Okay, so let's do echo exit code for updates. I'm not going to make it too long. It's $? Okay, and I'm going to add sleep-4 sequence in order to make the thing looks nicer. Okay, and after sudo yum install docker, I'm going to add a sleep-4 sequence as well before to move on echo command, and I'm going to ask to echo the value of my exit code as well after this line, and that should be it. I'm going to register that script after this step. Okay, so right now I'm going to do docker --version. Docker is not installed on my system, that's why I didn't find it. I just want to make sure that it's not installed yet. So you see the command is running. I have exit code for update is 0, and we're going to have our second exit code on the bottom at the end of, you see, complete. Exit code for Docker installation is 0. So it just awesome guys. Let's do docker --version right now, and you can see that we have our Docker installed. Right now let's uninstall it with the script that I have defined before, which is uninstall -docker.sh. Okay, you can see the content of my script. Just to make you understand once again that guy, you don't need to be a professional to use a script. One of the big purpose of script is everybody can use them and complete some complex tasks without have any skills on it. So I just running my script, and in a couple seconds I got my Docker uninstalled on my CentOS 7 server. When I'm running docker dash version, there's no more. Okay, let's do something right now and redirect our script, okay, our package.sh script I'm gonna redirect it in the file success. You remember redirect command, right? We did it in our previous video. Let's check our previous video if you want to understand more about that. I'm not gonna talk a lot about it again today. So you can see there's nothing that is showing up on my screen because everything have been released in the background. But if you run docker dash version right now, you can see that docker have been installed. And if you cat success file, you're going to see exactly the content that are showing up on the VBOS model before. So just awesome, guy. Everything that you can do with scripts are just crazy, and I really like that stuff. So let's move on more details in order to make you understand deeply the concept. Okay, let's do touch exit dash sh. We're gonna do exit -2 because I already have exit file. Okay, and I'm gonna use vim exit -2 in order to edit my file. We work with vi on the previous video, but vim is almost the same. The main difference is more colorful. You're gonna have more color with vim. It's more it's looking nicer than vi, so it's a little bit the update version of vi, so you can use it as well. It's really nice. I just want to share that with you today. So echo love you. I'm not gonna do all the stuff on the head, and I just echo my exit code after the first line. Before that, I'm gonna chmod +x my file, okay, in order to make it executable. And quickly you have love you, and after 0, which is my exit code, right? So right now I'm gonna do something else. I'm gonna exit after my first line of code with a specific number 2, and you're gonna see what's going on. I just have love you, and the next line in my script didn't show up anymore. But when I'm echo $? I have 2. That means that the number that I've provided I've kept in the system as the exit code result. I'm changing it with 77 right now, and I'm gonna do echo again, and you're gonna see that I have 75 right now. So I'm gonna take a last example to make you understand the concept deeply. I'm gonna run a command that I'm pretty sure that is not gonna work. I'm gonna do yum install travel. I know that there's no package named travel on CentOS 7. And you're going to see what's going on there. I'm going to provide the exit code 0, which normally means our code has been succeeded. Okay, our code has been succeeded. So let's see that one. No package travel available, error, nothing to do. But when I'm going to run exit $? Right now, you're going to see that I have the result 0, but it's not true. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate you guys, and I want to invite you once again to watch all the previous video, and also subscribe and give a thumbs up to this one in order to keep an eye on the next awesome video that are coming on bash scripting. Bye.